Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my wife Bree, along with our two dogs, Penny and Bella. For the last 12 years, we have traveled the west coast of the USA and the north and the south islands of New Zealand. We have found ourselves after 19 moves here in South Lake Tahoe, where we have bought a home, and we feel very fortunate to be here. Please come along and enjoy our adventures. Welcome to Tahoe Mountain Life. Here she goes. All right, well, good morning, guys. It is Friday, March 8th. Today is the first day that I'm not working, that we can head up to the ski hill after the storm. It's also the first day where the surgeon has cleared her about 2 weeks ago, and the first time we feel comfortable time frame wise for Bree to head back and try some skiing. So we're gonna head up to Heavenly, and it should be a good morning. Just a few people out today. All right, I'll let you take the lead to start, okay?
Here's to 6 weeks post-brain surgery.
Here she goes. She's not holding back. This guy's ripping, carving nicely. Yes, boy. How you doing, Bree?
Good.
All right, Bree, what are we celebrating today?
We're celebrating that I am now 6 weeks post-brain surgery.
Yeah, first ski out, just taking it nice and easy. And we'll probably leave soon because it's getting busy. For those of you who haven't been watching the videos, Bree had a brain tumor and a craniotomy surgery about 6 weeks ago.
Muscles are a little weak after not doing anything other than walks for the last 6 weeks, so we'll just see what we got.
Doing great. All right, Bree, how was your day?
It was great.
Yeah?
Good to be back on the snow. And just for the record, the doctor did clear you to ski.
Yes, he did. He actually kind of cleared you essentially at 2 weeks, which is kind of crazy.
Your skull is stronger now than it was, before we put titanium mesh in it.
But we waited to like 6.5 weeks, so.
So hopefully if there's somebody out there that's gone through something similar, just know the first weeks are really, really tough. But you're going to get through it, and then you're going to be on the other side before you know it.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do enjoy this content, consider subscribing, and hopefully there'll be more skiing with Bree soon.